Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Today our topic is exponents and powers. Okay, chapter 13, NCERT class 7. Before we going to start our class, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Okay, see, first point, laws of exponents. In laws of exponents, first point, multiplying powers with the same base. Okay, first point what? Multiplying powers with the same base. See, this is the equation. Okay, same here. See, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to what? See here, same bases are same. This is base, this is exponent. Okay, I explained in previous classes. If you want that videos, I will give the link in iCards and also I will give the link in description. If you want that videos, check the description and iCards. Okay, base is, this is base, m is the exponent. Okay, like that. So a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to what? A raised to the power m plus n. This is the equation. Okay, base should be equal, same bases ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, బేస్ అనేది సేమ్ ఉండాలి, అప్పుడే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి మనం. ఓకే, సి ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సి 2 square into 2 cube. In this case bases are same. What is this? 2. Base is 2. Here also 2, here also 2. So bases are same. So apply this equation. Okay, in this case. So see, then here what is that? A is equal to base is same. Okay, and m is equal to what here? 2, n is equal to 3. Okay, this is it. So write here base 2 m plus n. M is equal to m means m is equal to 2 plus n is equal to 3. So write 3. Okay, then 2 raised to the power raised to the power 2 plus 3 5. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, 2 raised to the power 5. And again second example, second case, minus 3 whole raised to the power 4. Okay, into minus 3 whole raised to the power 3. And also you can read minus 3 whole cube. Okay, minus 3 whole cube, minus 3 whole raised to the power 4 into minus 3 whole cube. You can read. Okay, in this case here also m is equal to what? Bases are same. Minus 3, base is what here? Minus 3, base minus 3, that is same. Okay, minus 3 and m is equal to what here? 4, n is equal to 3. So according to this equation, okay, minus 3, okay, whole raised to the power 4 plus m plus n. It is m is equal to 4 plus n is 3. So okay, minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 whole raised to the power 4 plus 3, how much? 7. So this is the our required answer. Okay, this is the exponential form of, okay, using this equation. Okay, and third one, and one another case. Okay, see one more. Suppose in algebraic expression a raised to the power 4 into a raised to the power a square. Okay, take, then here bases are same, here also bases are same. Base is equal to a and m equal to n. 4, a is equal to, sorry, n is equal to 2. So base is same and exponents are different. So use this equation. A raised to the power 4 plus 2, m plus n. Okay, so 4 plus 2, so is equal to a raised to the power 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, this is our required form. Okay, and the second case, multiplying powers with the same exponent. Okay, exponent is same here, exponent is same. See, this is exponent. Okay, exponents are same. A raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equal to ab whole raised to the power m. Okay, here exponents are same. This is m, this is also m, but bases are different. Here a and here b. So the rule is what? ab whole raised to the power m. Okay. See example. According to this equation, see 2 cube into 3 cube. Here bases are different. Here 2 base is 2, here base is 3. But exponents are same. Exponent here 3, here also 3. So right here m is equal to what? Here 3. So bases are different. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 more base is equal to 3. Okay, according to this rule, 2 cube into 3 cube is equal to what? 2 into 3 whole raised to the power 3. Okay, 2 into 3 whole raised to the power 3. Okay, now write 2 3s are 6. 6 cube. Okay, this is the value. Our required form is what? 6 cube. And again, second example, a raised to the power 4 into b raised to the power 4. Here also same. Exponents are same. Exponent is 4. Okay, m is equal to 4 and a is equal to same a, b is equal to b. Okay, a is equal to a, b is equal to b. This is in algebraic form. So according to this equation, bases are different, exponents are same, means a b whole raised to the power 4. Okay, then okay, this is the equation, our required form. Okay, ab whole raised to the power 4. How to read? Ab whole raised to the power 4. Okay, right here. Third point, dividing the power with the same base. Okay, dividing the power with the same base. See, bases are same here. Here also a, here also a. Okay, bases are same and different exponents. Exponents are different. So here m and here n. So the rule is a raised to the power m minus n. Okay, bases are same and exponents are different. So what is the rule? A raised to the power m minus n. Okay, example. Write example. Suppose 2 cube divided by 2 square. Then write here bases are same. Okay, base is equal to 2 and m is equal to 3 here, n equal to 2. Okay, exponents are different. So write 2 raised to the power m minus n. M is here 3 minus 2. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 here 1. Okay, this is the 2 raised to the power 1 means 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. So write 2. This is our required form. Okay, okay, take one more example. 3 raised to the power 7 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, now here also base is equal to what? Base is equal to 3, exponent m equal to 7, n is equal to 4. So according to this equation, a bases are same. So write 3 raised to the power 7 minus 4. Okay, m minus n. M is 7 minus n 4. Okay, so is equal to 3 raised to the power 7 minus 4 3. Okay, this is here what? 3 into 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is our required answer. Okay, fourth point, dividing the power with the same exponent. Okay, same exponent. Then what? Exponents are same, bases are different. Then okay, right here b, exponents are same. Then what will happen? A upon b raised to the power m. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, now let us take some example. Exponents are same here, bases are different. Fourth case, this is fourth one. So example, 3 square divided by, okay, 4 square. Okay, then write according to this equation here bases are different. A is equal to 3, okay, B is equal to 4 and M equal to 2. Exponent is same. So according to this equation 3 by 4, 3 upon 4 whole raised to the power 2. Okay, that is 3 by 4 whole square. How to read this one? 3 by 4 whole square. This is our equation. And simplification, if you want that simplification, 3 square by 4 square is equal to 9 by 16. Okay, this is our numbers with the exponent 0. Exponent is 0. Okay, say example, suppose a raised to the power 0. This is exponent. Exponent 0. If exponent is 0, then it will be 1. Okay, 10 raised to the power 0, then that is also 1. Okay, 100 raised to the power 0, then also 1. Okay, remember. Example 7 cube by 7 cube. Here bases are same. What is the equations? A raised to the power m minus n. Okay, bases are same. A raised to the power m minus 1. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 7 raised to the power 0. That is 1. Okay, take 1. A raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 always, remember.